Yes, we know that if we redo the injection to the patient, for example, for the corrugator, for the mimic, or for the functional disease like bruxism, you will have, you know, the time between two injections will be longer and longer because your patient will lose their habits to do that. So will lose their habits to frown, will lose their habit to brux. Yes.